Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, let's understand the member section of the Workstatus web app. For that, come up to the left side menu. Under the people, select the employee section. You are landed to a member screen where you get the information as in how many are total members inside the organization, how many are online, offline, deleted or deactivated. It also gives you the information on the details of the user type which has been logged in by which devices such as Android or iOS, Mac, Windows, Linux or web browser. You can invite the member using this button. Here you can even invite the member using the share link. You can share this link and you can directly invite the member. The member will click on this invite and fill the registration form using his usual details, and thus he will become a member of the organization. If you want to send an email on his email ID, you can mention the email ID. You can select his role from this drop down, select the project, the device type, and you can mention the tracking mode. He wants to run the app invisible or the stealth mode. You can click on invite. Once the user is invited, he is shown into the invited tab. Here in this section, it gives you the detail of the list of the employees which are already invited but yet not accepted the invitation. Once the user accepted the invitation, fills the registration form with respect to their usual registration form using their details, it is landed to the member section and he becomes the member of the organization. Like this. Further on this screen, we are able to see that the data can be viewed by three views, which is the table, grid and the graph view. You can search the member using this area. You can filter the data using the various amount of fields required here. In this screen, we are able to see the name of the user, which mode he is using. He is using the Linux, where it is located, the office location, the check-in time, it's working or not working, the employee code. You can see that the tracking mode is enabled and the user is in the visible mode. There are some quick links given here which you can see with respect to the user. View screenshot, view timesheet, view apps, URL and the attendance. Further, you can click on this arrow to get the detailed information about this specific user itself. Click on these three dots to edit the member, copy the stealth token or download its stealth file, disable the tracking mode and remove the member as well. So this was all about the member section. Thank you.